say we are given the fuel consumption of car is expressed in number of liters used per 100 kilometers. Here the histogram represents the different models and the passenger cars. So what they say first, they say how many cars were tested here? How many cars were tested? How do you get 100? You said what? 5? 5 plus 20,
plus 25
plus 25
plus 40
plus 40
plus 20
plus 20
plus 10
plus 10. Okay, the number of cars that were used here, they say which is going to be what to be 100. We were lucky here because others could have said which this is 100 kilometers and then what 100, but this is not 100. This is the number of cars. The number of cars they were what they were 100. Okay, they say which write down the modal class. What was the modal class? What was the modal class?
This class.
It's between 7 and what and 8. Yeah, so we'll come and check which the one that has 7 and 8. Okay? So we have 7. X is greater than 7, Mara. X is going to be less or equals to 8. Ne? And then they give us 1 mark for this one. They also give us 1 mark for this one. All right, then you say use the histogram to draw and complete the cumulative frequency. Okay? So first you have to put the frequency before you can go to cumulative. Okay, let's do that then. So between 5 and 6, how many do we have?
5.
We have 5. Between 6 and 7, how many do we have? We have 25. Between 7 and 8, how many do we have? We have 40. Between 8 and 9, how many do we have?
20.
We have 20. Ne?
Yes.
Between 9 and 10, how many do we have?
10.
We have 10. And then if you add this one plus this one plus this one plus this one, they're going to give us what? They're going to give us 100. Okay. Now we want to get the cumulative. Okay? They said which we should complete the frequency in the cumulative. Okay? Okay, let's get the cumulative. What should I write first here?
Right.
So the first row is exactly going to be identical. Tembin. The first row is exactly identical. 5 goes with 5. Okay? And then after that, we say this one goes with this one. If I say 5 plus 25, what do I get? I get 30. This one and this one, I get 70. 70 plus 20, 90. 90 plus 10, it's going to be what to be 100. Okay, now that we have the cumulative, we go to the next question. The next question says, draw the Ogive cumulative frequency curve to represent this data. Okay? So if you're not sure what should you use, you're going to use on the Y values, you're going to use the cumulative. Okay? And then on the X-axis, you're going to use the fuel consumption. Okay? So let's come up with the coordinates then. What are going to be the coordinates? Our grounding coordinates, we start with, let's not start with the grounding first. Let's start with the values here. So we're going to have the upper values. Okay? The upper values are going to go with the what? With the cumulative. Okay? So the first one that we have 6, which goes with what? Okay, 6 goes with 5. Okay? That is the first one. After that, you have what? 7 goes with 30. After that, we have 8. It goes with what? With 70. Okay. After that, we have
9. 90.
It's 9. It goes with 90. Okay. After that, we have
10 and 100.
10 and 100. Like this. No? Okay. Let's go and plot this then, faithful. First one, we have what? Okay. X is 6. No? Our Y is 5.
Yes.
So it's going to be 2, 4 in between. Okay, somewhere here. Sorry about that. And then we have 7 again. 7, it's fine with 30. No?
Yes.
And then we have 8. 8 goes with
70.
70. It's here.
Yes.
Okay, we have 9. 9 goes with
90.
90. 9 goes with 90. Okay. And then after that, we have
10 and 100.
We have 10, which goes with 100. 10 and 100. Okay. And then you can connect your dots. Okay? Let's connect our dots. If we connect our dots, first one goes to the second one, goes to the third one, goes to this one. Okay? And then we go to this one. Okay, we are not done, okay, faithful. We still have to ground our graph. Where do we ground our graph? We are going to ground it at 5 here again. So we're going to ground it at 5. So we come and check 5 here. So our graph is going to be grounded here at 5. And then this is how our graph is going to look like. Okay, now that we have this, the next question says, would you use the ogive to determine the interquartile range? Okay? For you to be able to determine the interquartile range, you need to get Q1, Q2, and Q3. Oh, you need to get Q1 and Q3. Okay, let's get the position of Q1. I get Q1, the position of Q1 is going to be given as what? 25. Okay? So it's 25 all over 100. And then our n is 100. Okay? So I'm going to say multiply by 100. And then it gives us what? N plus 1. It gives us 25,25. Okay, use your ruler. If you use your ruler, you go to 25. Okay? 25 is on the Y. So here you have 20, 22, 24, 25 is in between. Okay? And then if you go from 25 and then you go straight, you touch the graph again. And then after touching the graph, you go down again. If you go down, you get it's 6,8. Sit. Okay. Then it says which our Q1 is going to be equal to 6,1,8. Okay, let's jump to Q3. Let's first answer the question and then we'll get to the interquartile, to the quartiles. We're looking for Q3. Q3, we're going to get it by saying 75 all over 100. Okay? And then it says which 100 plus 1. What you get for this one?
5.
It's 75,75. Okay, let's go to 75,75. This is 70. Okay? 72, 74, 75 is here. Okay? Okay, let's go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight.
Oh.
Okay, let's check with that one. It corresponds with one again. No, it will be straight, don't worry. 8,4. 8,3. 8,3, 8,4. So we can say which our 8,2. Okay, we get our Q3 to be 8,3, 8,4. Okay, it's fine. Then they want the interquartile range again. Our IQR, which is the interquartile range, we're going to get it by saying Q3 minus Q1. And then our Q3 minus Q1 is going to be 8,3 minus our Q1 is 6,8. Okay? 6,8. And then if you do this, what you get? 2, it's 1,1,